4?
4,500 francs. This is 700 francs.
7.
Yeah.
Mm. Can you repeat again?
Yeah.
Yes.
What I have said.
Yes. Start again.
Yeah.
Start over.
I'm by the names of Oscar Nizimana. I'm a student of College Christ Roi. I study in A6 PCB. This is a product made by we as a student with assistance of our leaders, together with teachers, for example, teacher of chemistry, biology. Our products contain many ingredients. Some of them are the following. We have sulfonic acid, ungalo, caustic soda, water, together with colorant. In order to get different colors like this, for this liquid soap we use red colorant. For this building we use green colorant. So we need a support from you in order to make us more productive in our business, so you can buy our products.
Yeah, I can see. This is a business club.
Yeah.
Art Tech Classic.
Yeah.
Classic. What does it mean, classic? Classic.
Firstly, our name's Business Architect. We have many different products. Today we use this product because we have to help our parents in order to clean our materials. We know in our homes.
Classic. What does classic mean?
Yeah.
Because I can see classic, art tech, business club.
Yeah.
Business club, I understand. Art technology, I understand.
Yeah.
Why classic?
For classic, we want to mean the product which is maybe on high level, classic.
Classic high level.
Yes, with good
Okay.
quality.
The next question is, do you think what are doing is important?
Yes, of course. This is important for many people, as a student, because in our daily life we use this in our cleaning, and so we wish to help parents to go back with this product to our homes in order to make clean for different. Use this for cleaning doors, for mopping, even for washing.
How much is that big Jellican? How much?
This one costs 4,500.
4?
Yeah.
4,000?
Yeah.
And then the next one?
This one costs 700 francs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And that one?
This one costs 100 and 500 francs. And this one, this is the same like this. It costs 4,500 francs.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. The next question is, do you have something more to add about our conversation?
Yeah.
Yes.
First of all, I'm starting by asking you one question. I see that you are a journalist.
I'm a journalist.
Yeah.
My name is Ras Muda, Sylvain Muda Chumura. Yes.
Yeah. First question, I want to know, maybe it's like a level you come from. Maybe you are a journalist at a given radio station. You are a journalist at a given television. I want to know that.
Freelancer.
Ah, I get.
Do you get?
Yes.
One more question.
For you, for me. Because for me, I'm done.
Feel free, ask any question you want to ask.
Yeah. Another question?
Shalom, where are you? Shalom.
According to
Okay.
what?
This is my son, my firstborn. His name is
I don't know him.
Rugamba Norbert Shalom. So, congratulations. Keep on moving. Keep on improving what you are doing. However, I want to buy A full jerry can. What is the best quality?
The best quality for this little one, I can wish for you to buy this green card.
Okay. How much?
It's 700.
Thank you.